Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. We're using Popsicle sticks to make one big snowflake today. And let's go down.
So you're going to start with 3. You're going to put a dab of hot glue on your popsicle stick and you're going to put it like this. Try to make sure that it's straight. And then, so I put this one on top. So now I'm going to put this one on top with the same type of overlap. Right? So like this. And I'm using my mat to keep it straight. If you don't have a mat, you could use a ruler. So we have this, and you need 6 of these, just like this. To do your other main one like this, I will put my popsicle sticks right next to each other. So I wouldn't bother to line it up on the line or on a ruler again. I would literally just put it right next to each other to make sure they're the same length, because that's what you want now. What you want now is that they're all the same length. And you can do that by just marking them up next to each other. Okay, the next step will be to put 2 of these together. So you're putting them like this, and I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to use my cross and my mat to try to get it as straight as possible. Put a ruler, and you're going to put a little dot of glue here, and stick this down like so. So if you have your ruler, make sure your ruler is straight and it's all gone straight down. Right, so we have 3 very long pieces now. And now I'm going to put this. So we have 3, we're going to put 1, 2, and 3. So we want it to look like that. So I'm going to show you how to mark it up now. So you make one in a straight line. Then you put another one like so, and then one like so. Now, it's 6, so you're going to measure it about 3 inches away from each other. So I have 3 here, from here to here. I have 4 here, and I have less than 3 here, which means this one needs to sort of be moved a little bit. So you're literally just adjusting until you're happy with how it looks and that it has just about the same distance from all of them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally add a dot of glue and turn this one over exactly in the same position that it's in now. So you see where it is? I'm holding these down. I'm literally just going to turn this one over like this. To stick it down, make sure it still has my 3 1/4. Then I'm going to move this up, put some glue, and move it down. And I'm going to do a little measurement again. Right. Right. All right. So we have our 6. And now I'm going to stick these. So I want one here and one here, but I want them to join in the middle here. So I'm going to put a little dot of glue here and a dot of glue here. And then I'm going to put this one and this one at the half and then join them. I'm going to stick them to join after. Just make sure they're stuck down well. And then I'm literally going to raise this a little bit and put some glue and stick it down. And I'm going to do that for all of them. Now the next step is just to put one here and one here, and all of the 6 that we did, we're putting 1 and then 1 over it like this. So this is going to be pretty much freestanding. So I'm literally just gonna like eyeball it. So I'm going to put a little bit here and put this down and then stick this down like this. If you have a craft mat like me, what you can do is line this up on one and then make sure this is similar. And that's all. So you're going to go around the entire thing, going like this, put it on your mat, then this, and making sure it's just similar to open. And look at that. And then I'm going to continue going around. Okay guys, this came out so well. Look at that. Do I scream too much in my videos? I am really overwhelmed with how beautiful this came out. You could hang it like this. And I would paint this obviously. So this is, I mean, you could leave it this color if you want to because it's very crafty and popsicle sticks look good. Or you can buy colored popsicle sticks and make it in red or green or whatever your decor is. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wow. Thank you so much for joining me. This was so cool to make. And if you try it, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this channel and the content, please actually give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a really Merry Christmas and stay crafty, my friends.